How to cancel Propstream subscription. Now in this video, I'll show you details for you to be able to cancel your Propstream subscription. Now, if you log in into your Propstream account via their official website, you won't be able to see an immediate option to cancel your subscription or even manage your subscription plan. Now, what you want to have to do is to submit a request via their customer service support. To find that, just simply head into their dashboard and click this option here. It says contact. Choose on contact field. Now on the next page, you will see their schedulings about their operation hours. And then on the right side of that, you should be able to see this um, options here, which you need to comply your first name, last name, email address, and then your request. Make sure that those information input here are all the information that you use to log in into your PropStream account. And that's it. That is how you cancel your PropStream subscription.